Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can install Microsoft Office. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. But first, you have to make sure that you already have your Microsoft account. So now what you're going to do is to go to Microsoft Store and search for Microsoft Office. After that, you can see these following options. There is Microsoft Personal, Microsoft Family, and Microsoft 365. But we will going to choose Microsoft 365 Office. But as you can see right here that it is already installed on my desktop. But if you want to install this one, just tap on this and then click on Install. You don't need to pay anything to get this one, because it's free. But you can also get this Microsoft 365 Personal and Family, but you have to pay for this. And that's it. If you have questions or suggestions regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.